Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. Listen, people, we can do it. Now, we got another giveaway going on by PW, so you know what to do. You got to comment in order to participate. All right, so with that being said, let's get on with this review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, we got some watch faces by PW to check out. I'm telling you, you're going to like all of these. Now, the name of this watch face is called PW31. This one here, I already like the layout. It's boss. Now, in always on mode, it has a unique design in it this time. I'm liking this. I like the layout in the always on mode. But when the watch face is turned on, I really like the simplicity of this watch face. Up at the top, you're going to get your battery info, step info. You're also going to get a meter graph so far as your goal completed and your battery meter. You come down to the left, you're going to get your digital time, your month and your date. You're also going to get the day of the week down at the bottom. I'm liking this. And on the other side, you're going to get all your step activity info, whether it be steps, miles walked or ran. You're going to get your calories burned, heart rate, floor climb, all the things that are important to you. If you come down just a little bit, you're going to get some shortcuts, right? You got your music and alarm you can set. You can go into settings. And then what I like down at the bottom, right up under that, they got an icon of what would be a text message. And on the other side, a little person that would be your favorite or your contacts. And also you can make a phone call, which means that this watch face is super, super convenient. The layout is beautiful and you can customize the color. You get about 9 in all, and they all look beautiful. I'm telling you, go through all of them. I'm telling you, PW always does his thing, and he makes it affordable in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you go check this out, and let's get on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one here is called PW54. This one is nice. I already like the layout. And always on mode, you're going to get digital time. You'll be able to see your step activity at a glance as well. And when the watch face is turned on, this is where the design gets different. He shifted it a little bit. I like the creativity in this one. Up at the top, you are going to get the days of the week. Highlighted in green will let you know what day it is. You're going to get your day and your date as usual. You come down. You got your digital font for the time. I'm liking the look of this, and I like the look of the AM stamp that's in there as well. Now, if you come down to the left, you're going to get all your step activity. All these things are interactive. You come over, you will be able to get your battery info. You're also going to get your goal completed. And also in this corner, which I thought was very nice, you're going to get your music. You're going to get your weather. And of course, it is interactive, so you can simply just tap on it. You can tap on the time. Of course, it'll bring up your calendar. If I can get this to come, see where I should tap at. Get your calendar. And of course, these are interactive as well, right? But what I like most about this is the different colors. You get like 13 colors in all to customize to. And I'm telling you, all of them are nice. We're going to cycle through a few of them so you can get to see some of the different colors that this watch face has to offer. And I'm thinking PW did a great job with this. Keep up, PW. I'm liking this one. That's my favorite right there, guys. So make sure you check this out in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, you are going to love it. All right, you all. Let's get on to the last but not least, watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. This one is called PW50 Gear Sport. This one here is also nice. I'm liking the look and the design of this one too. Now, in always on mode, what you're going to get is digital time. You're going to be able to see your step activity at a glance. But when you turn the watch face on, this is a good look. I like shortcuts, and I like how he has it all lined up at the top. Things that are most important, at least to me anyway, you get your music player, email. You also can make a phone call, send text messages, and you got your favorites and or contacts right there at the top. By a single tap, you can go right into it. You're going to get your step info, battery info. You come down, you're going to get your digital time, and you can set an alarm, which I thought was pretty cool. And then you get miles walked around down at the bottom. You're going to get your heart rate, calories burned, and also what's important to everybody to keep up with their steps. So I thought this was definitely a good look. And you can customize the color by double tapping and cycle through the many colors, and you get quite a bit. Just double tap till you get to the one you like. I thought PW definitely did a great job on this watch face. And I'm telling you, I think it's worth the download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Listen, grind and grind hard. Enjoy the day. It will be over with soon. All right, you all, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit the like button on the way out if you could. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. So take care, enjoy, and be good.